Take a ride in 2017 MX-5 Miata. The MX-5 Miata represents more than 20 years of a winning concept, a lightweight roadster that's purely about the experience between driver and machine. With the MX-5 Miata, exhilaration comes standard. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, cruise control, MP3 player, clock, trip computer, electronic stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.